Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem, reboot the switch and your router, then confirm another phone or laptop can browse. Once done, open switch system settings and go to Internet. This gets you into the network controls you need. You should have DNS addresses ready because you'll switch from automatic DNS to manual. This first step matters. DNS is how names resolve to addresses, so changing it often fixes lookup failures without deeper changes to your network. You now change the DNS on the switch. Choose your SSID, pick Change Settings, then DNS and set it to manual. Enter a known provider like primary 8, 8, 8, 8 and secondary 8, 8, 4, 4 or 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 1. Once done, run test connection to force a lookup and check latency and DNS results. If the switch resolves but is slow, try the alternate provider. Make sure to save settings. Changing DNS for finish by power cycling the router and switch so the new DNS takes effect. Then test the eShop and online play. If problems persist, change DNS at the router level so every device inherits it, or tether the switch to a phone hotspot to see if the home network is the issue. If you still see errors, record the test connection error text and try another DNS provider. That detail helps pinpoint whether it's a DNS lookup, hostname block, or upstream ISP problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.